I've lived alongside the river for 45 years. I'm very keen on wildlife and the environment. The river has changed quite a lot. It's been very erratic, but I think problems have continued from about 1976. There wasn't enough flow to make a really healthy environment for fish and especially for trout. When I heard about the Lincolnshire Rivers Trust, I was really excited because this is just what we need, expertise.
Historically, the River Slea did not dry up during the summer months. However, due to the combination of population increase, water abstraction and climate change, low flow levels had become a regular occurrence. The Lincolnshire Rivers Trust planned a series of works to improve a stretch of the River Slea for wildlife and local residents. In the first phase, we used a mechanical digger to create a low flow channel in the upper section. We then moved the digger to the middle section where pools were dug. The sediment was removed and placed on the banks to provide a foundation for the berms. These berms were constructed with the help of volunteers. Matting was installed to the berms and vegetation planted. The berms created pinch points in the river to help scour the sediment to expose the gravel and maintain pools. These help the invertebrates and fish to be more resilient to the low flow levels when they occur.